Guys, it's it's 2 p.m. guys here. Video live coming from Kenya, and guys, I really appreciate for fun who really support even me. It's good to support me, and even me, it's good to post video every day and every day. But yesterday, I have not posted a video because of, let me say, I don't have, I have to record the video with my phone. I have to record video with my phone to use my phone, but uh, sometimes my phone shut down because of electricity, because of energy. And yesterday, electricity have like, let me say, those uh, some small problems, but now we are good. We are good. We can charge our phone, guys. So guys, see, I am at I've told you, even you can see this. Let me take a thumbnail, guys. This is gloves. Let me look for a place which I can take a thumbnail good. Okay, guys. I've told you guys, but that I have to smile uh, on the camera. Like, let me say, when I'll like someone who have faces every time, like always he jammed or she jam. How can I say? Like, let me say today I'm not happy. Today I'm not happy, guys. Today, like serious, I'm not happy. Yesterday I was sick. Today I'm not happy, but I hope you good. You're doing good. If you are even you are vlogger, or if you are any content you do at YouTube, I hope you're doing good. Even me, I'm doing good, but I see my subscriber is going so slowly. So I don't know why is the problem, because I have viewers, but let me thank God for that. Mm, you know, everything is step by step. So you can't like sprint at the one time. You can't. You have to go step by step. So at least when you will reach at the like, in short, at subscriber you have to reach 1,000 subscriber. At watch hours you have to reach 4,000 watch hours. I will reach there by step, guys. Me, I love my fans. Let me say it like that. Even if I will love one view, I will appreciate for that one guy who view my video, because without you I can't reach anywhere, I can't go anywhere. So I have to appreciate to God, because there are some days I was have, like, let me say, it was 5 viewers, 10 viewers, but now I see I'm upgrading at another level. Um, Now I can get 60 viewers, 70 viewers, 80, 100, 30, 40. It's good. Even if I will get that viewer to, like, at 1 week, and I see when I will come back to my channel or to my video, and I see the video which I will post, which I was like, I'm post 2 years later. 2 weeks, no 2 years, sorry guys, 2 weeks, and have like 3 days. Like I'm post today video and have 3 viewers. So after 2 weeks, when I come back to my channel, I see it have 30 viewers, 40 viewers, 60 viewers. Me, I'm appreciating for that. But in short, or let me tell you, now I'm not happy, I'm not good, but I think I know you are good. Me, I'm not good, guys. So guys, this farm, we want to dig here, at least this farm to be clean, and we really look for anything, or yeah, anything which we can plant here and can grow here very fast or very good, you know. We don't want to be with, we don't want to plant here a plant which it will do us to have more work. Like here, me, I think we can, because even there, guys, you can see there, we have here there is skuma wiki. Another side, I see inside this skuma wiki we have what is that? Tomato, guys, tomato. But tomato has a lot of work. Yeah, a lot of work, guys. Even at that area, we have there banana. We have at the top of that mountain, we have maize. We have another banana here, and as you can see, there are long distance far. We have something like a house. I think you see. Let me put my phone up. I see now. You see. We have inside that house. We have chickens, and you know it's good to have chickens in our homes. It's good. It's good, guys. Me, I'm telling you what I have come to learn. It's good to have chickens to your home. It's good to have dogs, to have cows, to have sheep. It's good, guys. Even here, this is pumpkin, guys. Pumpkin, guys. This is pumpkin, and like the one when, so I don't know, pumpkin is because it's not a fruit. It's what I will go to check. I must check. This is pumpkin, and that leaves of pumpkin, which looks like a plate. It's so like something good in inside the mouth, which I can say, like you can eat uh, at night with a meal. So a meal is a portion meal. Yeah, like portion meal. So if I'm going wrong, correct me, guys. Please, please, please correct me. Let me go show you something here. I want to show you something here. I've told you that we have tomato, and this here, guys. Subscribe the channel. Alright, guys. Zimeja? David. Twende. Zimeja? So guys, that is tomato. We have here, this is this here, guys, this is onion. I think you know what is onion. And we have the drum. So that's super drum. This plot is not my uncle's plot, but this land is our land. So from there to that iron sheet wall, to here, to this, even this iron sheet wall, even to that area down there, even over there, guys. So this, all of this, and we have a big gate there. We have a big gate there, guys. Up to there, guys. That is my uncle's farm. And from there to 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 the end of this plot is the MCA land. The MCA land. The MCA land. I'm trying to like, in short, to the end of this plot. This plot here. This is the land of MCA. MCA. MCA means that I think you know what is MCA. So MCA, that's her name at Ringo. Here's Lucky Summer, guys. Subscribe the channel. Let me sit here, guys. And I was saying that, let me remember. There is a day I was saying I will give you a short story. So that day it is today. I was talking about Marwa, but this thing I'm going to talk about, or this guy I'm going to talk about, I can't talk about her, and I don't want to talk something bad, or this is truly like now. Marwa says that I don't want fans. Yeah? So guys, let me do some work here. This story I will finish today. I will finish this story. I will finish, guys. So guys, stay tuned. Just a minute. So guys, from to the work up to here. So guys, this is the plot. Subscribe the channel, guys, and I want to show you. And guys, here is Nairobi. You know Nairobi, the city of Kenya. The first city of Kenya is Nairobi, and it's here where I am. Here is Nairobi. So let me turn my back camera to show you this area. Here I am. I'm at third floor. Third floor. So let me turn up, and I will show you. I will explain for you what's going on. Let's go, guys. Subscribe the channel. All of these plots here, as you can see, this is Nairobi. So guys, in Kenya, you can put your clothes here to balcony. These manilas, at least your clothes to get sun, guys. Subscribe the channel, guys. So at the down there to that gate, that is a place where So inside to that gate, there's one market, like a market which look like a supermarket. So us, we have to go there, guys. You see, even here where I am, these roads have to go up again. So this is second floor, guys, and me, I'm at third floor. Even as you can see, guys, here, I think you see, guys, at my, like, let me say it's not my last video. There is a day I was find house. You can check that video. I was found house. I was look for house and I'll get. So guys, down there where my finger go through, we have a posho mill, Kenya posho mill. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Here is inside, guys, and here is a place where you can wash your utensils, guys.